Hey y'all, welcome to Camo and Plaid. Be shooting the PSA Dagger Compact. It's essentially a Gen 3 Glock doing Gen 3 things for not very much money. We'll be doing 20 rounds of the Winchester M1152. It's a pretty hot little 9mm, and these will be rounds 580 through 600. Hey y'all, welcome to Camo and Plaid. Today we'll be shooting 30 rounds of M1152. These will be rounds roughly 550 through 580. Runs like a top. Hi guys, welcome to Camo and Plaid. We're going to be shooting the PSA Dagger Compact. We'll be doing 30 rounds of the M1152 from Winchester. Noticed a guy the other day making some comments about the Dagger. Let me tell you something. This is an inexpensive Glock. That's what this thing is. It's a Gen 3 Glock, and it does Gen 3 things. If you want it to do something else, buy something else. But it works. We've got about 520 rounds through this one. When we're all done, be at about 550. All right. PSA Dagger Compact. Hey guys, welcome to Camo and Plaid. Today we're going to put 20 rounds of M1152 through the PSA Dagger Compact.